I think it begins with my childhood and being an idealist. I was very, had a vision of the world that was more utopia. I saw things like racism and injustice as real bad things that as a child I wanted to grow up and see if I could make a difference. I've always felt the people without much money, people of color, women, LGBTQ, all are discriminated against by our society, and I thought achieving a law degree could help me correct some injustice that I saw as a child. And so my goal was to try to make a difference for the people who needed the most help. I've always felt a little bit like a misfit or a maverick in this community. Being an Asian American lawyer, my dad was interned during World War II as a Japanese American. And so my point of view of society and government and the protection of rights, I think, have been influenced by what I consider to be a grave injustice done to my dad. Just because of his heritage. He was an American citizen. He didn't have any due process, and he was placed in an internment camp for close to 3 years. So one of the things that it taught me within my own family, okay, is that, you know, the political power and your status in being able to assert your rights, okay, can determine whether you really have those rights or not. Because during the internment of Japanese Americans during World War II, there was very little outcry that this is wrong, that this is not right to judge people by the color of their skin. The forces to try to change things from the people who have money and power, the ways that we can even things out and have justice, how few ways is there in American society other than through the courts? And so I feel very fortunate, and I feel our attorneys and paralegals should feel fortunate to have that opportunity to make a difference, to sort of even up the balance of power in America. So I'm proud that we can do that type of work.